Nature is sustainable, the closed loop. Nature is a master recycler. Everything decomposes, gets broken down and becomes the building block for something new. Dead leaves become soil. Rocks crumble into sand, and even fallen giants of the forest nourish new life. This endless cycle ensures resources are constantly used and reused, minimizing waste. Nature is a delicate web of interconnectedness. Every element plays a role, from the tiniest insect to the mightiest tree. This balance ensures the stability and health of the whole system. When one element gets disrupted, it can have ripple effects throughout, but nature has an inherent tendency to restore equilibrium. Nature is constantly evolving, adjusting to changing conditions. Species develop resistances, ecosystems shift, and landscapes transform. This incredible ability to adapt allows life to persist and thrive even in the face of challenges, ensuring long-term sustainability. Nature has an incredible ability to bounce back from disturbances. Forests can regrow after fires. Coral reefs can recover from bleaching events, and even entire ecosystems can adapt to changing climates. This resilience allows life to persist and thrive over the long term. When one species is threatened, others can take over its role, preventing the entire system from collapsing. This diversity also ensures a wider range of skills and adaptations. Nature is significant. Nature provides us with the basic necessities for life. We rely on plants for food and oxygen, animals for pollination and pest control, and clean water from healthy ecosystems. Without nature, we simply wouldn't exist. Spending time in nature has been shown to have numerous benefits for our physical and mental health. It reduces stress, improves mood, boosts creativity, and even strengthens the immune system. Being surrounded by natural beauty can be incredibly restorative and grounding. Nature plays a vital role in our economy. From agriculture and tourism to forestry and renewable energy, many industries depend on healthy ecosystems. Protecting nature is essential for ensuring a sustainable and prosperous future. Essential life support system. Nature provides us with clean air, water, food, and other essential resources for survival. Healthy ecosystems regulate climate, purify water, and prevent soil erosion. India is one of the world's most biodiverse countries, home to a staggering array of plants, animals, and ecosystems. This incredible wealth of life is not only precious in itself but also provides essential ecological services like water purification, climate regulation, and soil fertility.